Me cheche obiala ebusuafo anopaye masaba munche me besesa fridge ne selenoy ena ne ice maker pacho wa onim selenoy ne eni nti so o fridge when e nsuo eba refrigerator no mu na aye ice single ni and a double solenoid nti set the fridge enya nsuo the water dispenser na enya nsuo sometimes if you wait a time nsuo no eba no mo nti obe shasi a obe turn refrigerator no off it's no there bibia mbamisi ada utimi tufi plug no wall no ho anase utimi ko ekodum no wo honom nti we obetu afi plug no ompe problem bia we so no wa shut nsuo no off we shut nsuo no off na bibia ekoso afi na ni ba betutu na maede na mayi dada no beyi dada no na me defofo abo ne me ye se ne be ya nso o pese o sesa o sele no ya o betimi asesa o hwe video na o betimi asesa o sele no and also ice maker we the guy do say na there o betimi aye nso wadwuma bi e wo fie ebi ana nsuo emba refrigerator no mu ebi o ho afi sele no ene na time e di nsuo no eba nti se sele no ene nya sele no ene eni ya ntimi hu eja me dia to se ehweso na se nti madika ya dum nsuo no was one dum nsuo no na we here na the problem bro nti so buy double okay esa me kofa solenoid for edeba no enim se etimi amen hole and I say Ninjaho when kofa bimbra quick if you really for woman the crowd we don't put the fresh where you if you have. There's a clip. So if you have where cylinder for now. Anybody see it here? Otuha. A higher idea O2. All the water, a tight of valve, no. A higher when I didn't soon a bar fridge no more. Connect your cost to O2 and so tighten or tighten or bros so I best say no. Okay. I said we didn't such a way. So sit here. Okay. O press it. Now we are quite question. To work with shima tighten up. Now baby see so. No, it's so tighten. Tighten the crabby. Go two way. Step by step. How do I show?